Today, I'll show you how to whiten teeth in Affinity Photo. Let's get started. If you'd like to follow along with me, I've left a download link for this photo in the video description. The first thing we need to do is apply an HSL adjustment. With this adjustment, we'll remove all of the saturation from the yellow tones in the photo. We'll need to mask this HSL adjustment onto just her teeth, but we won't do that quite yet. Instead, we're going to add a little bit of blue to this photo. Adding blue is another way to counteract yellow, making things appear more white. To do this, I'll add a white balance adjustment layer, and then I'll increase the blues. And finally, I want to add a little bit of brightness to the photo to give her teeth more shine. To do this, I'll apply a brightness and contrast adjustment layer, and then I'll increase the brightness and contrast. Okay, now it's time to mask all of these adjustments onto her teeth, and there's actually a really neat trick that we can use to do this. First, we'll select all of the adjustment layers, and then we'll put them into a group by pressing Ctrl-G on a PC or Command-G on a Mac. Next, we'll add a mask to the group. This mask will affect all of the layers that are inside of the group. Then we'll invert the mask by pressing Ctrl-I on a PC or Command-I on a Mac. Now all of the adjustments in the group are being hidden by the black mask. Now we just need to press B to get out the paintbrush, and then we can paint in white across her teeth. By putting a mask on a group, we only need to paint on a single mask. Then that mask will affect all three of the adjustments that are in the group. Okay, now I finished painting on the mask. With the mask done, we can see our before and after. That's looking pretty good, but I might have gone a little bit overboard with my edits. We don't want her looking like a toothpaste commercial. So to fix this, I'll select the groups layer, and then I'll lower its opacity to 60%. That looks so much better. Now you know how to whiten teeth in Affinity Photo. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Affinity Revolution tutorial.